Take next right.
Gas brake. And as you can see, if you ever wondered how Mr. Ilyas looked like, well, this is Mr. Ilyas Khan, the main man behind Muslims America's Visual Element. The dude with the magic fingers. No, fingers are there. See? Yes, the HD cameraman and photographer, videographer, producer, reporter, you name it, man. This is the guy. This is the guy with the magic finger. This is the guy that National Geographic is looking for right now. The Discovery Channel wants to hire, but he said no, I don't have any time. I'm not available because I'm on a road trip.
Well, of course, yes. I am on my road
Okay,
trip.
baby. Now, let's put some gas in.
Oh, yeah.
And we can also do a quick tour of the gas station. Ooh, legs hurt. Well, we've traveled another 200 miles or so. And yes, there's no money in it. But there's a card here that can maybe help us get some gas in. Yeah, this is the card. So you see, there's no money. We're broke. So we have finally entered North Carolina. And what happened? Yeah. So Amy, if you ever wondered what Ilyas is doing, this is what he's doing. You can trust him. He's a good guy. Yeah, Amy, you can trust him. So we have entered North Carolina. If you ever wondered how North Carolina looks like, beautiful place. This is how it looks like. A lovely, lovely vicinity. Beautiful. And okay, I don't know how to get a good shot. So we have entered North Carolina, and pretty soon means like after 400 miles or so, we will enter Georgia. So I'm gonna go and take a quick break, and I'm gonna go somewhere where I can't take you, which is the bathroom. So until next time, until the next stop, this is Imran Siddiqui signing out.